Welcome to this introduction on strength reduction. In the world of compiler design and code optimization, finding ways to make programs run faster is essential. Today, we are going to explore a specific technique called strength reduction, which focuses on replacing expensive mathematical operations. So, what exactly is strength reduction? Simply put, it is a compiler optimization where an operation that is expensive for the processor to perform is replaced by an equivalent operation that is cheaper and faster. The goal is to reduce the number of CPU cycles required to execute the code without changing the final output. Not all math is created equal. Inside a computer processor, different operations take different amounts of time. Division and modulo operations are typically the most expensive, taking many cycles to complete. Multiplication is faster but still costly. Addition and bitwise shifts are incredibly fast, often completing in a single cycle. Strength reduction aims to move operations from the expensive categories down to the cheap ones. Let's look at the most common example. When you multiply a number by a power of 2, like 2, 4, or 8, the compiler can replace the multiplication instruction with a left bitwise shift. As you can see here, multiplying by 2 is mathematically identical to shifting the bits to the left by 1. The shift operation is significantly faster on hardware. The same logic applies to division. Integer division is notoriously slow. However, if you are dividing by a power of 2, the compiler can replace it with a right bitwise shift. Here, dividing 16 by 4 is the same as shifting the binary representation of 16 to the right by 2 positions. This simple swap saves precious processing time. Calculating the remainder, or modulo, is also an expensive division-based operation. But there is a trick. If the divisor is a power of 2, say 8, we can replace the modulo operator with a bitwise AND operation using the value 7. This is a classic optimization trick that turns a heavy division operation into a lightning-fast bitwise check. Strength reduction shines when used inside loops. In the example on the left, we are calculating an array offset by multiplying the loop counter, I by 56 in every single iteration. That is 100 multiplications. On the right, the optimized version removes the multiplication entirely. Instead, it adds 56 to the offset in each step. Repeated addition is much faster than repeated multiplication. To perform the loop optimization we just saw, compilers look for something called induction variables. These are variables that change by a constant amount every time the loop runs. By identifying the loop counter and the constant step, the compiler can mathematically transform the expensive formula into a simpler, incremental update. You usually don't need to do this manually. Modern compilers like GCC or Clang handle this for you. At lower optimization levels like 0 or 01, the compiler might skip complex reductions to keep compilation fast. However, at 02 or 03, the compiler aggressively applies strength reduction, loop unrolling, and induction variable analysis to make your binary as fast as possible. This brings us to an important conclusion: readability versus performance. You should prioritize writing clear, readable code. Writing x times 2 is clear to a human reader. Writing x shifted left by 1 can be confusing. Trust your compiler to do the heavy lifting. Write for humans and let the compiler optimize for the machine.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.